Good morning everyone. Today I am going to teach you EVS, Environmental Studies, and the chapter number is 4 and the chapter name is Sources of Food. Okay, we are going to study in this chapter where we get food from. Okay, where do we get food from? So start everyone. Find out the staple grains eaten in these parts of India. Staple grains means main food of these states. So let's start. We are going to write Punjab. What is the staple food of Punjab? Wheat and rice. Okay, this is the main food of Punjab. Gujarat, pearl millet. Okay, pearl millet means bajra. You would know, I think. West Bengal, rice. Kerala, rice. Jammu and Kashmir, wheat. Okay, means gehu. Maize means makka. Rice means chawal. Name the two most commonly eaten grains in your home. Wheat and rice, of course. We eat wheat at our home, and we eat rice also so many times. Okay, in the lunch, and wheat also in the dinner and in the lunch. Now come on to the source of food. We get all our food items from two main sources. From where we get the food, students? We get the food from two main sources. First is plant and next is animals. Okay everyone, firstly we get the food from the plants. Okay, and secondly we get the food from the animals. Now let's see how do we get the food from the plants and how do we get which food we get from the animals and which food we get from the plants. So let's start everyone. First of all, it is given here food from plants. Yes, food from plants. Okay everyone, majority of food items come from plants, means most of the food which we eat, most of the food, we don't get food so much from the animals, but we get most of the food from the plants. So majority of our food items come from plants. Let us see what we get from plants. Okay, let's see. Food grains or cereals. Okay, food grains or cereals. Both word meaning is same. Food grains means anaj and cereal means also anaj. Okay everyone, now come rice, wheat, maize, chawal. Okay, wheat you know very well, gehu. Maize you know very well, makka. Okay, and oats, you know oats, and oats is also very healthy for our body. Yes, are the main food grains of or cereal. They are the main food grains. They are the main cereals which most of the people eat. Okay, they are rich in carbohydrates. Okay, they are rich in carbohydrates. Wheat is usually ground to flour. Bread, roti, naan, puri and paratha are made from wheat flour. Yes, bread is also made from the wheat flour. Roti is also made from the wheat flour, which daily our mother made. No, our mother daily prepare the roti, chapati, naan, puri. You would have eaten the naan also. Yes, so it is used to made from the wheat flour. Okay student, now come on the next page. Rice is the staple food in many parts of the country. Staple food means main food. Rice is the main food in many parts of the country. Okay, oats and maize are eaten as breakfast cereals. Okay, oats and maize are eaten as breakfast cereals. So now you can see here pictures are also given. Can you identify what is it? If I will hide it, can you identify it? It is rice. It is wheat. You can see it is wheat. It is maize and it is oats. Okay, oats used to be like this. Now pulses. What is pulses, student? You know student, pulses are very healthy for our body because they are rich in proteins. Okay, pulses are also known as lentils. You know lentils, मसूर की जो दाल होती है उसको भी हम lentils बोलते हैं. Okay, include arhar, moong, urad, masoor, rajma and gram. These all are pulses. Arhar dal, okay, do you know? Yellow color it is used to be. Moong dal it used to be of green color. Urad it is also used to be of like darker green color. Masoor dal it used to be of black also and red also. Rajma you know very well. Gram are very good for health, very healthy. Okay, we should eat this the gram breakfast in the morning. Pulses are rich in proteins. You know very well pulses are very rich in proteins and our body needs protein, no? Now everyone, this is arhar dal, yellow color dal, and this is moong dal. Okay everyone, now come on to the vegetables. What are vegetables? Vegetables are important part of our daily diet. Yes student, if we have the wheat suppose and we made the chapati from the wheat, then how we will eat that? We need vegetable, no? Yeah, we need vegetable to eat with chapati. They are full of vitamins and minerals. You know student, vegetable contains so many vitamins and minerals. So that is why doctor also says that more than chapati we should eat vegetables because they are rich in vitamins and minerals. We eat different parts of the plants such as roots, stem, leaves and flowers as vegetables. Yeah student. Up what is roots? Like this is radish, this is roots. Carrot, roots. Potato, roots. अरबी, अरबी को हम इंग्लिश में कोलोकोसिया भी बोलते हैं. ओके. स्पिनिच, दिस इज लीव्स. कैबेज, लीव्स. कॉलीफ्लावर, इट इज़ फ्लावर. वी आर सेइंग ना, हम रूट्स भी खाते हैं, स्टेम्स भी खाते हैं. ओके. एंड लीव्स ऑल्सो एंड फ्लावर ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज फ्लावर, दिस इज लीव्स, दीज आर लीव्स. एंड ब्रोकली, ब्रोकली इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ cauliflower. Shape is like a cauliflower but it used to be of darker green color. Okay, so these are all the vegetables. Now everyone come on to the fruits. Fruits are also rich in vitamins and minerals. Students, fruits are very good for our health. You know, we should daily have an apple. You know, you would have listened that also that an apple in a day keeps the doctor away. Yes. So yeah, that thing is correct. We should have daily any, I'm not saying only apple, but any fruit in a day you should have. You should have any apple in a day, any time. Okay, if you will take it in the breakfast, then it will be more good. Fruits are also rich in vitamins and minerals. Some fruits such as mangoes, grapes, oranges, pineapples are juicy. Yeah student, they are juicy, no? Mango is used to be juicy. Grapes also. Oranges also. Oranges has so much juice in that. Pineapple also. Okay. Raisins. Raisins, you know what is raisins? Kishmish. Have you eaten any time kishmish? Cashew nuts. Kaju. Almonds, you know very well. Badam. And walnuts. Walnuts also akhroot. They are also very good for health. Walnuts. We should have walnuts. Okay. Almonds, raisins, cashew nuts. Okay. Are dry fruit. These are dry fruits. Okay everyone. Now. Yes, now everyone come on to the spices. Spices are also very important for our food. If there will not be spices, then our food will not be tasty. Okay everyone. Spices are seeds, leaves, bark or flowers of plants. Okay. And you know students, they have the strong smell and taste. You know, if we add any spices in any food, so it becomes tasty. Yes, smell used to be good of that food. Okay, so they add color also they add. If we add any spices in the vegetable, so it add the flavor, it add the color in the food. Spices also help to properly digest the food. Yes student, if we will eat only sweet, then it will not be digest our food food will not be digest properly. Okay, so spices are also very important for our food. Yes student, do you know some spices are used as medicines? It is written. Yeah, it is correct, because cloves, if we, and pepper, suppose if we have cold, okay, so in the tea we will add some pepper and clove, या फिर ये इलायची जिसको बोलते हैं cardamom. Okay, if we use this and if we drink, if we have that tea, so what happens? It reduces our cold. Okay, So yeah, they are also used as a medicine also. Cloves, pepper, cardamom, turmeric also. Turmeric, you know, haldi. If we suppose somewhere we are hurted, okay, so if we drink turmeric by adding in the milk, it used to be so good for that. Okay, bay leaf, saffron and cinnamon are some common spices. Okay everyone, yes. Now come on to the oils everyone. There are, yeah, oil is also very important for our food. If oil will not be, our food will be, means it will not be so tasty, because oil is also important for our food. Oil is extracted from the seeds of the plants. Yeah, there are different kinds of oils, or it is extracted means ये निकाला जाता है. How? This is mustard, सरसों. Okay, so daily whatever which oil we used in the daily use, that is used to be mustard oil. Sesame oil, तिल. Okay, sunflower, इसको बोलते हैं अलसी. Okay, and groundnut. We should have, if we are, means we should not use refined also, student. You know why? Because in that so much chemicals used to be, that we should not use. We can use the groundnut oil, that is used to be good. These seeds are called oil seed. Oil seeds are crushed to get oil. Mustard, sesame, soybean, sunflower, olive and groundnut are the most commonly used oil seeds. Okay, these are the oil seeds. Okay everyone, oils are rich in fats. Yes, they are mainly used for cooking. Now everyone, come on to the beverages. You know what is beverages? Beverages include like tea, coffee and cocoa. Tea is obtained from the leaves of the tea plants. Okay, tea is also called the queen of beverages. You know student, अगर beverages में हम most important thing बोलें तो that is used to be tea. Okay, coffee and cocoa are obtained from the seeds of coffee and cocoa plants. We also get sugar from plant. Sugar also we get from the plant. Sugar comes from the sugar cane. Have you ever seen the sugar cane? You would have eaten also sugar cane. So we get the sugar from the sugar canes. So I told you whatever we get from the plants. Now everyone, up to here this chapter is completed. In the next part I will tell you what we get from the animals. Okay everyone, bye, goodbye.